What is up, YouTube? I'm going to show you how you can make $30 an hour just using apps online. I'm going to be showing you 6 different websites that you can use apps, make up to $30 an hour, literally fast, easy, and free. It sounds too good to be true, but I'm going to actually show you the websites right here on my computer in just a second here. Follow along. Okay, so check this out. This is pretty gnarly and it's pretty exciting because there's a whole industry built around testing apps and websites on the internet. You can make as much as $30 per hour just by using these sites. So I'm going to show you them in succession, and I'll show you the number 4th site is the one that you can make $30 an hour on. Some of the other sites you can make good money on, but we're just going to go through and I'm going to show them all to you because you'll want to sign up for all of these websites so you can make money on these tests. Now, the first site that I'm looking at here is called Try My UI, okay? So we'll see this right here. And Try My UI is basically you can get paid to test. So this is, ignore this. But basically you will be using people's websites or apps, and you can select right here to get paid to test websites or apps. So how this works is all you have to do to be a tester is use the website like you would in real life, and then voice out and type out or talk your frustrations with using the sites or your experience, and you'll be paid $10 for each test you take. See? Let's zoom in on this. You'll be paid $10 for each test you take, and the typical test lasts 20 minutes. So applying this, you can make up to $30 per hour, which is pretty neat. Now the tests, they have different requirements. Some people will want female, some people will want male, some people will want you using an app on your phone, some people will be wanting you to use your website or your tablet. But no matter what, you want to sign up for all of these sites I'm about to show you in order to get the maximum amount of tests so you can make the maximum amount of money. Okay, let's go further. The second site is called Userlytics. Look right here, Userlytics, customer insight, whatever that means. But it's same day feedback, persona, blah, 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 from your target persona. So again, they're looking at particular personas. So the more sites you sign up for, the more chances you have to get a test that wants you. So where you would sign up is you would sign up right here in this top right corner where it says tester sign up. See that right there? Click tester sign up and it says get paid to test websites and apps. So look at this. You get paid via PayPal. The money will be sent straight to your PayPal. You can get $5, $10, $15, $20. I guess some of their projects will even pay up to $90 just for navigating the web. Now, you can be as young as 16 years of age to do this. So even if you're not 18 yet, if you're 16 or 17, you can make money and get that money deposited straight to your PayPal account. Pretty exciting. So you can learn more about it here, but you have the website. You can go and sign up on your own. Now, first off, if you've gotten value from this video already, please slam that subscribe button, hit that like button, and type in, if you're going to use this, if you're actually going to apply this, and start testing websites and getting paid, 20, 30 bucks an hour cash, type in I'm in. Okay, just go in the comments and type in I'm in, because the money train is on. That's what we do here on the John Crestani channel. You're part of my money club if you subscribe. I'm showing you all the ways that you can make money on the internet. But just go in the comments and type in I'm in if this is exciting information. So next, let's go for the next ones. We have 4 more websites that you can earn money on taking tests. User testing right here. Look at this. usertesting.com. And at the end, I'll give you a little hint of what I do for a living to make all these big bills, these big stacks that I do online. I've been working online for over 10 years, so I am a veteran to this industry. There's a lot of money here. But basically, you will be giving feedback to companies such as Walmart, Facebook, eBay, Patagonia, Expedia, Ancestry.com, Citrix. You'll be working with all of these companies and giving them feedback on their websites and their apps, because the thing is, there's so many different people using different phones, different tablets, different computers, that these companies, they need testers from all these different categories, all these different types of phones, all these different ages, all these different demographics. They need you to test their stuff, okay? So you can sign up right here, get paid to test right there. And they'll pay, it says earn up to $60 per test, visit a website or an app, okay? So just using your phone, and you get paid. And once again, get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete, okay? And they pay you to visit websites or apps and speak your thoughts aloud. So what you're doing is you're visiting, Walmart will say, we want you to test out our new app. You'll install their app or on the computer, and you'll just have a screen recorder. They give you a screen recorder to use to just talk while you're testing the app, and you say, this is weird, or like, I don't understand this button, I don't understand what this does, I don't understand what this says, oh, this is pretty neat, ooh, I like this. That's what your job is. That's what you do. But you need to get in on this because they're still accepting testers. This is a new field. This is a new field for John Crestani subscribers only. Only the people in my money club. Okay? And if you subscribed and you're part of my money club, type in money club in the comments. I'd be stoked to see if you join my money club. Now let's bang through these next sites. We have UserFeel. Once again, you can sign up, become a tester, userfeel.com. Become a tester right there. And once again, $10 per test, and you can find more tests to do, okay? You have to use a Windows or a Mac computer. No apps for this company. Next site is called Enroll, okay? Enroll, and you sign up here. You can take tests anywhere, okay? Phone, tablet, desktop, whatever you prefer. You can earn rewards. You can get paid via PayPal once again, and you can help, companies make better websites. So we got it. We got all the sites in. I hope that helped you out. I want to see you make some money. And once again, type in if you're going to do this, if you're going to take action, because watching my video as a teacher doesn't do me any good if you don't actually go out there and apply this. Again, 80% action, 20% knowledge. You should be going out there, and for every minute you watch this video, go out and take a test, make some money for yourself. Hopefully this helps. Cheers to you taking time to build your brain and learn about all these opportunities that are available to you. Now, if you want to learn about what I do for a living, I make over $800,000 a month. Sorry, that's real. $800,000 a month. And I don't have any employees. I don't have any technical knowledge. I'm in an industry called affiliate marketing. I help sell other people's products online. If you want to learn about that, check out some of the mini courses on my channel or sign up for a free training. I have a free webinar that's down in the description of this video where you can learn about what I do for a living and how I do this business model.